Hi everyone, this is Yashwardhan, one of the co-founders at AccioJob. This video is to take you through AccioJob's model and clear all your doubts around AccioJob. AccioJob is a coding bootcamp for final year college students and recent graduates to be able to learn full stack web development from the best instructors in the industry, and the model is unique in the sense that you pay us zero till the time you get placed above 5 LPA. Yes, you heard it right, not a single penny till we get you placed above 5 LPA, and in fact till you get your first salary in your bank account. Full stack web development is currently one of the most in-demand skills in the industry. All big tech companies from across the world like Amazon, Google, Goldman Sachs are setting up their biggest tech offices in India. The demand for software developers in India is set to reach 5 million by 2025. This is your opportunity to work hard, upskill, and start your career as a software developer. Our industry relevant curriculum and hard work with the students in all domains, be it technical skills, soft skills, your resume, will make sure that we prepare you well and get you placed at these top tech companies. Another question a lot of students have for us is, how will I actually get placed? The secret sauce or the magic is the combination of training given by top-notch mentors, your hard work and dedication, and the best-in-class opportunities AccioJob will provide you. This is what will get you placed. Our students now work in top companies like Amazon, Walmart, Paytm, Gainsight, PageLocal, Publicis Sapient, BharatPe, Tokopedia, Park Plus, ThoughtWorks, Sears, and many more. Moreover, AccioJob provides you the most affordable pay after placement program in the market, with a payback period of only 1 year after you get placed. You pay us back the entire course fees of 1,20,000 from your salary within the first 12 months after joining your job above 5 LPA.
Hey guys, Harsh here from AccioJob. You must be thinking whether you are eligible for the course or not. Let me tell you that our course is open for any recent graduate or any student in their final year of college. We don't have any CGPA cutoff, and students from any branch or any degree are eligible to apply. We just want you to be motivated to learn and willing to work hard with this. Our course is designed for today's industry requirements. We start teaching from scratch and assume no prior knowledge. We start with data structures and algorithms in the first 2 months. Then we move on to the front-end web development part. In front-end web development, we start by learning building blocks like CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Then we learn front-end frameworks like React and Redux. In the last 2 months of the course, we focus on understanding how to build backends and how to work with databases. All our classes in the main batch are 100% live and are taken by some of the top engineers in the industry. Our instructors work at companies like Amazon, Netflix, Google, and Microsoft. Throughout the 6 months of the course, you will have ample live contests, project building sessions, mock interviews, revision sessions, and much more. To talk about their experience of the course, we have a few Accio alumni who would like to speak to you.
Hi, this is Umakant. I'm a former student of AccioJob Batch 2. I was working as a customer service associate for past 2 years and currently working at Phenom People. AccioJob proved to be a game changer for me. And I honestly believe that without AccioJob and the support even by their mentors, I would not have been able to make it.
You'll definitely succeed. All the mentors are approachable and dependable.
Game changer.
Placement Messiah.
Best decision.
Best decision.
AccioJob was the best decision of my life.
So, I hope we have answered all your queries about AccioJob through this video. If you still have any, please reach out to us on WhatsApp or give us a call. The next steps for you to get into AccioJob's main batch is to take the aptitude test in the next 48 hours. It's an easy 1-hour MCQ test on numeric and logical reasoning questions. Post clearing the aptitude test, you will be inside the pre-course. See you there. To end this video, I would really say that the model is such that for most students, this is a win-win situation. You get to learn a lot in these 6 months and you pay us only after you get that desired outcome and you land that premier software development job. And the best part is you're completely financially independent from your parents and family. So, see you in the course. All the best.